In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use smart selection and tidy up. Organized and visually appealing designs are key to effective communication. Elements often become misaligned, inconsistently spaced, or messy. Manually adjusting each item is time-consuming. Smart selection and tidy up offer a streamlined approach to perfecting layouts, helping you achieve a polished, professional look quickly and making your designs clear. These intelligent tools automate the process of organizing your canvas, ensuring consistency and visual harmony. The first crucial step in using these powerful tools is to define precisely which elements you want to organize. You'll need to highlight the specific shapes you intend to tidy up. Understand that shapes includes any design element on your canvas: individual text boxes, images, icons, vector graphics, or even grouped components you've already created. You can do this in two common ways. Either click and drag your mouse to create a selection box that encompasses all desired items, or for scattered elements, hold down the Shift key on your keyboard and click on each individual shape you wish to include. Ensure every element you want the Tidy Up feature to affect is currently highlighted. Once your desired shapes are successfully selected, your next step is to locate and click what's commonly known as the Hamburger button. This icon typically displays as three horizontal lines stacked vertically, a universal symbol in user interfaces for a menu offering more options. Depending on your design software, this button might appear in a contextual toolbar that pops up immediately after your selection, or it could be found within a broader main menu at the top or side of your application window. While its exact position can vary, always look for those distinctive three lines. Clicking this button is your gateway to accessing various tools and commands relevant to your current selection, including the Tidy Up functionality.